Students of class 5. Here you have once again chapter 4 fractions. Today let's see exercise 4D. The exercise is on division of fractions. So how do we divide the fractions? In the previous exercise that was 4C, you learned how to multiply fractions. Now multiplication of fractions and division of fractions is very much similar. Only one thing you have to remember here, that the divisor, because in any ordinary division, as you see here, in any ordinary division you have the dividend, you have the divisor, then how many times it divides, that is the quotient, and what is left at the end, what is remaining at the end, that is called the remainder, that you all know. So dividend, divisor. Here also in fraction you have the dividend and the divisor. So you need to remember that the divisor's reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse has to be written first, and the division sign changes to multiplication. Once the division sign changes to multiplication sign, we need to write the reciprocal of the divisor. So 12 by 25 in this case becomes 25 by 12. So this is your question, the number 1. So what I said, remember that division sign changes to multiplication, and at that step, as soon as you change the division sign to multiplication sign, we have to change the divisor. We have to write the reciprocal of the divisor. So 32 by 15 is the dividend. It's divided by 12 by 25. That is the divisor. Now next step, we'll write the dividend as it is, 32 by 15. And division sign changes to multiplication, and immediately we will write the reciprocal of the divisor. It will be now 25 by 12. So 25 by 12. Now once you get them as multiplication, the rest of the thing is to be calculated as you did in exercise 4C. In exercise 4C you had multiplications. Now it is similar to multiplication. What we will do is, we will cancel the numerator with the denominator by their common factor. Here, see 15 and 25, they have the common factor 5. So, by 5, both of them can be cancelled. 5 3 times is 15 and 5 5 times is 25. Similarly, 32 and 12, their common factor is 2, then bigger than that is 4. So, we cancelled, or here I have cancelled it by 4. So by 4, if you cancel, 4 3 times is 12 and 4 8 times is 32. Now numerator 8 and 5, denominator 3 and 3, they don't have any common factor, so we cannot cancel them. Hence what we will do now, find the product of the numerators, that is 8 multiplied by 15, 8 multiplied by 5, sorry. So 8 5 times by 3 times in the denominator. So we get 8 5 times 40, and in the denominator 3 times 9, 40 by 9. Now this is one improper fraction. Improper fractions we can convert into mixed fraction. How? By dividing the numerator with the denominator. So the denominator is 9. By 9, if you divide the numerator 40, so we get 9 4 times 36. Subtracting 36 from 40, we get 4. So here no more digit is there to bring down, so our division is over. Divided 4 times, so 4 whole 4 by 9 is the final answer. Next one, I have picked up question number D. 15 divided by 20 by 9. So here the dividend is 15 and the divisor is 20 by 9. So 15, as earlier also we discussed, that we can always put 1 for the convenience of calculation. So we can write 15 as 15 by 1. We can use denominator, in the denominator we can use 1, but we cannot use 1 in the numerator because that will change the value. Value of the fraction will be changed if you write 1 in the numerator. That's why we cannot put 1 in the numerator. However, 1 can be written in the denominator because the value does not change even if you write 1 in the denominator. 15 or 15 by 1 means the same number. Okay, 15 by 1 also means 15. So that's why we can put 1, always we can put 1 in the denominator for the convenience of our calculation. So 15 by 1 divided by 20 by 9. Now we'll write it again, next step, 15 by 1. Now division sign will change to multiplication sign, and immediately we'll write the reciprocal of 20 by 9, which is 9 by 20. Now we think of cancellation. 15 and 20 have the common factor 5. So their common factor is 5. 5 3 times is 15 and 5 4 times is 20. Now in the numerator we have 3 and 9, in the denominator 1 and 4. So 3 and 9 do not have common factor with 1 and 4. That's why now we'll have to find the product of numerator and the product of denominators. So 3 into 9 by 1 into 4. 3 into 9 gives us 27. 1 into 4 gives us 4. Now 27 divided by 4 is, divide on the rough side, we see 4 6 times is 24, and 27 minus 24 is 3. So 6 times it divided, so we got the whole number 6. So 6 whole, remainder is 3, so 3 by divisor 4, or denominator was 4, so by 4. 6 whole, 3 by 4 is the final answer. So this is how we'll be calculating. Now let's see the other. I have picked up number F, where you have 7 whole 3 by 5 divided by 1 whole 12 by 45. These are mixed fractions. One mixed fraction divided by the other mixed fraction. So we'll write the question once again. 7 whole 3 by 5 divided by 1 whole 12 by 45. Now the mixed fraction, always we need to convert them to improper fraction. So 7 into 5 is 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. So 38 by 5. Now divided by the value of this mixed fraction will be 45. One time is 45, and plus 12 will be 57 by 45. Now next step, 38 by 5, division sign changes to multiplication sign, so multiplied by the reciprocal of 57 by 45. Reciprocal of 57 by 45 will be 45 by 57. Now think of cancellation, numerator with denominator. So the common factor of 38 and, okay, first 5 and 45, let us cancel. 5 and 45, they have their common factor 5. So by 5 we will cancel them. This is 5 one time, and here 5 9 times. Now 9 and 57 can be cancelled by 3. 3 is their common factor. So 3 times is 9, and 3 19 times is 57. Now 19 and 38 can be cancelled because 19 is the common factor of 19 and 38. 19 one times is 19, and 19 two times is 38. Now finally in the denominator we have 1 and 1, numerator 2 and 3. Now having 1 in the denominator, we can stop here. So the product of the numerators will be 2 into 3, and the product of the denominators 1 into 1. Now 2 3 times 6, and 1 time is 1. 6 by 1. Now denominator 1 does not have any value, so 6 by 1 can be written as 6. So answer is whole number 6. Then question number J, where you have division but written in a different order. 24 by 15 by 21 by 50. 24 by 15 by 21 by 50 means that 24 by 15 divided by 21 by 50. So we will write 24 by 15 divided by 21 by 50. Very simple. Okay, now 24 by 15 multiplied by the reciprocal of 21 by 50, which is 50 by 21. So as soon as you change division sign to multiplication sign, we have to write the reciprocal of the divisor at that step. Then think of cancellation. 15 and 50, their common factor is 5. So by 5 we can cancel 15 and 50. So 5 10 times is 50 and 5 3 times is 15. Similarly 24 and 21, their common factor is 3. So we can cancel 24 and 21 by 3. 3 7 times is 21 and 3 8 times is 24. Now in the numerator you have 8 and 10, in the denominator 3 and 7. Now numerator and denominator, if you see, they don't share any common factor. That's why we need to stop here now. We cannot cancel them any further. So numerator, product of the numerators 8 into 10 by product of the denominators 3 into 7. So 8 into 10 we get 80 and 3 into 7 21. 80 by 21. Now divide it. 80 divided by 21. 21 3 times is 63. 80 minus 63 is 17. So the quotient is 3. That means the whole number is 3. So 3 whole, remainder 17 by divisor, or the denominator was 21, will remain the denominator 21. So 3 whole 17 by 21 is the final answer. So this is how you will be trying to complete exercise 4D, which is based on division. Thank you.